dear Dinka learners, how are you doing all? Today we are going to learn 100 Dinka vocabularies, both in singular and plurals. Please, if you are new in this channel, subscribe to be part of this Dinka learning family. That's the only way you can support me. Thank you for your subscription. Let us go. Please watch the video to the end so that you learn more Dinka vocabularies. We begin. First, cow. Cow. Cow mean seed. Seed. Cot. Cot. Cot mean seeds. Seeds. Did cot. That is plural. Tial. Tial. Tial mean shell spoon. Shell spoon. Tiet. Tiet mean shell spoons. Shell spoons. This L. Sorry for the error. Luck. Luck mean cow buyer. Luck. Luck mean cow buyers. Chwar. Chwar. Chwar mean tip. Chwar. Chwar. Chwar mean tips. Tips. Riai. Riai mean boat or canoe. Riat. Riat or riai. Riat. Riai mean boats. Boats. Rak. Rak. Rak mean lulu. Lulu tree. This tree, guys. Lulu tree. So this T, this is not there. Lulu trees. Sorry, guys. Lulu trees. Okay. War. War mean river. River. Where. Where mean rivers. Rivers. Guys, it is singular and plural. Just follow. Ally. Ally mean enemy or stranger. Enemy or stranger is called ally. 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 Ally mean enemies. Enemies or strangers. That is the plural form. Wing. Wing mean cow. Wang. Wang. Wang mean cows or cattle. Mip. Mip mean child. Mip. Mip. Mip mean children. Akeu. Akeu. A-K-E-U. Akeu mean boundary. Boundary. Akep. Akep. Akep mean boundaries. Atwell. Atwell mean club. That big stick is called atwell. Atwell. Atwell mean clubs. Clubs. It is very common in cattle camp. They used to carry it atwell. Agwik. Agwik. Agwik mean frog. Frog. Agwik. Agwik. A-G-U-E-K. Agwik mean frogs. Frogs. Pay. Pay mean month. Pay. Pay mean months. Lay. Lay. Lay mean animal. Lie. Lie. Lie mean animals. Riem. Riem. Ra-E-M. Riem. Riem mean blood. The plural form of riem is called rim. 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 Blood. Kiep. Kiep. Kiep mean scorpion. Scorpion is called kiep in Dinka language. The plural form of Cat is called cat or kit. Cat, kit. Scorpions. Tit, Theta, et. Tit mean wizard. Wizard. Tit. Tit mean wizards. Plural form of tit. Name. Name. Name mean hair. Hair. Num. Num mean hairs. Plural form of name. Ajib. Mean milligard. Ajib. Ajib. Ajib mean milligards. Gav. Gav. Ga. Ew. Gav mean town. Gap. Ga. Ep. Gap. Gap mean towns. Beep. Beep mean sphere. Also called tongue. Beep. Beep. Beep mean spheres. Plural. Team. Team mean tree. Team. Team mean trees. Dom. Dom mean palm. Doom. Doom. Doom mean palms. Num. Num na Num mean head. Head. Neem. Na im. Neem mean heads. Heads plural. Kor. Kor ka or kor mean lion. Lion. The plural form of kor is kor. Kor. Kor mean lions. Roy. Roy. Roy mean maggot. Maggot insect. Rui or Roy. Rui or Roy is maggots. Plural form of Roy. Abo. Abo mean maize. The plural form of abo is abab. Abab. Abab mean maize. Ko. Ko mean thorn. The plural form of ko mean quoth. Quoth mean thorns. Young. Young mean dog. The plural form of young is jok. 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 Dogs. Pow. Pow mean heart. Heart. The plural form of pow mean pop. Pop. Hearts. Aryop. Aryop mean reward. Aryop mean rewards. Ruan mean year. Run mean years. Twat mean is poor goose. Tut mean is poor gooses. That is the plural. Twat, we know there are birds that are found in where there is a lot of water. Dog mean boy. The plural form of dog is duck. Boys. Nya. Girl. Nyir. Girls. Agok. Monkey. Agak or agok mean monkeys. Agak or agok mean monkeys. Akon. Elephant. Akon. Elephants. Wood mean cattle came. What mean cattle cames. Fur mean maloda. Fur mean malodas. Tung mean horn. Tung, horns. Tuang, 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 tuang mean egg. Tung, tung, or tuang, eggs. Mau, mau mean one. Mau, mau mean once. Ball, ball, bau, all. Ball mean rabbit. Bial, bial, bial mean rabbits. Rabbits. Angui, angui, a nga u e. Angui mean hyena. The plural form of angui is angot. Angot, a nga u o ot. Angot, hyenas. Pew or pew. Pew, pew, pew. And when we say pew, there is a lot of water. Pew, water. Quart, quart. Quart mean bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Cut, cut mean bitter gourds. More, 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 more mean bulls. So there's no plural. S here. Muir, muir mean bulls. Bulls. Sheen, no, shin, shin, hen, chin, hens, hens. Riang, riang, bare ground. Bare ground, place where there is no grass is called bare ground. It's called riang, riang, riang in Dinka language. The plural form of riang is riang or ryong. Ryong, bare grounds. Why, why, sticks. Why mean sticks. Why sticks. Tick, tick, woman. Diar, dior. You can call diar or dior. Dior is a collection of women. Women. This diar. This is from 100 and 100 and no 100 and 2. All the words we have learned are 102 by Ran Pioche, Itongjang or Dinka, William Majak Malek. Please follow. We have TikTok. Subscribe in our YouTube. Nialich Abuek Dodge. Nialich Abuek Dodge mean God will bless you all. Thank you so much. This is the end of our video. Please, if you find video interesting, share to your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. I really appreciate those of you who put some comments. I will be working on your comment. If you make a request, I will make a video for you, and that's how we are going to learn. Thank you. Stay blessed. Dornali Kawe Kuyania. William Majang Malek Ding.